Hey everybody, the Karini here, dropping shit already, and I'm here with my Birchbox in the effing sunlight that won't go away because that's how weather works. And gonna open this extremely unnecessary package. What the F? Okay, there we go. I had it backwards. This is. Why do they send me a box in a box? That's unnecessary. And this is the box for this month. Way to go against the herd and not do anything spoopy. Birchbox. Oh, apparently their holiday shop is launching at November 2nd. Here's the card. And the theme is behind the scenes. And the first thing we have is Eau Thermal Avian Hydrants Intense Rehydrating Serum. Because bitches need to be hydrated. I'm not doing the thing. Okay. And the second thing is Hydro Memory Cream Gel. 24-hour double hydration cream gel. That's more hydrating because hydrating. And then we have two pencil products, and one is a precise smudge-proof pitch black Ico skinny liquid eyeliner, and no packaging or anything. And that is, we're gonna let that dry and see how smudgy proof it is. A little swatchy swatch. And here is a nude lipstick queen lipstick pencil. And we'll open this. Oh look! I didn't have any trouble opening it. Yay me! And oh, that's a pretty color. There's a swatchy swatch on that. And the last thing is a brand that I can never. It leaked, by the way. It is this Rose Hair and Body Oil, and the full size of that Hydro Memory cream gel was $60. The rehydrating serum is $38. The eyeliner is $22. The lip liner is $18, and this is $32. Let's see how this smells. Surprisingly not like roses. That's weird. It doesn't smell bad. I usually do not like the scent of roses, but it smells good. It smells lightly floral because usually floral scents bother my asthma. And let's do. I'm looking at the monitor. I can't actually see where the thing is. Okay, smudgy. Nope. There we go. Is it smudging? No, smudgy is yes. Oh, and the lip liner isn't smudging either. Awesome. Okay, that was my Birchbox for the month of October. I will be back soon with my one-up box. The theme for that will be despair. So look out for the demons. And I'll see you guys later.